This 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This GMC is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, gas V8 6.0 376 engine, and has 81,164 miles. Experience power and luxury with our 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited, your ultimate driving companion. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.